Hello, welcome to another episode of Mixing with Robin. Today I have two special guests helping me out for our show today with some really yummy ingredients here. And our guests are Brooklyn and Maisie. And Brooklyn here got this lovely machine for Christmas. Some of you might know what this is, but Brooklyn's going to tell us what it is.
Okay, so this is the Ninja Creami maker, and it can make like all sorts of ice cream and sorbets with it.
Awesome. And we're making what today?
We are gonna make some ice cream.
Ice cream. So the ice cream you're making today, is it just a base ice cream?
Yeah.
You can use to
Yeah,
start?
you can use it for any kind of ice cream you want to make.
Okay, awesome. And then what are you gonna put in it? Are you putting anything in it?
I'm
today?
gonna put some Oreos in it to make it cookies and cream ice cream.
Oh, yum. But I see you have candy out here, so you could make
Yeah.
it what?
You can use anything to add in for whatever type of ice cream you prefer. So.
Okay, so if you wanted Reese's peanut butter cup or you wanted to change it up a little bit, you can add whatever you want to this base. How long does it take to be able to have ice cream that you can chow down on?
Once it goes in the maker, about like a minute or so.
Oh, wow. Okay, and so you can eat it as is mixed? Does it freeze it a little bit, or does it have to go in a freezer for
It
a certain
has to
amount of
go
time?
in a freezer for like about 24 hours,
Okay.
like overnight, and then we pop it in the maker, and it just takes a minute to mix it up. into ice cream.
Awesome. And do we just do the base right now, or do we put the cookies in now and it freezes overnight too, or how does that
We're gonna put the base in now.
work? Okay, okay. And then when it's done its thing for 24 hours, then it's ready to add all your yummy extra ingredients.
Yep.
All right, well, let's do it so we can have ice cream.
Okay. So first, we're gonna add a cup of whole milk. And then a half cup of cream. This is a third cup of sugar. And a fourth cup of half and half. Okay.
Yum.
And now if you just mix that all together until the sugar is dissolved.
All right. So now after this point, what happens?
We are gonna add in our Oreos
All
right now.
Okay, because we're going to make cookies and cream ice cream. I can hardly wait to try this. I've heard really neat things about this.
And then this is basically it. And now we just have to pour it in our little Ninja container that comes with the maker.
I was going to say, how many cups do you get with the maker?
With the maker, you get 2, but you can like buy extras.
You can get extra ones?
Yeah.
Okay. So you could keep making them. So say you got a lot of siblings or brothers, sisters, if you had a lot of these cups, you could just keep making them, put them in the freezer, and the next day, how long would it take to do just one of these to churn it?
To turn it, it takes
Mhm.
like a minute or 2.
So everybody could have ice cream
Yeah, you could just
within
make a
like
bunch.
15 minutes.
You can just
Okay.
make a bunch.
Awesome. Well, so now this goes in the freezer 24 hours.
Yes.
All right.
4 hours.
Well, we will be back after we get this nice and frozen, and we'll show you how the rest of this machine works. All right, welcome back to Mixing with Robin. And as you remember, we have Brooklyn and Maisie here. They showed us yesterday how to make ice cream in the Ninja Creami. So, Brooklyn, remind us of what we are going to be eating here.
We are going to be eating some cookies and cream ice cream.
Yum. Okay, one of my favorites. All right. Now, tell us, I'm going to let you explain to everybody how this works in the Ninja Creami. We did an episode on the sorbet. Delish. It was so good. So tell us how this is all going to work in the Ninja Creami.
Okay, so we freeze our ice cream, and then when it's in the machine, there's like a little blade here, and it'll like slowly just like chop up like all the frozen ice cream and it'll turn it into ice cream.
Awesome.
So that's how like the machine works.
All right, Maisie, you're gonna get us started here.
Awesome. So we took it out of the freezer and now we put it in the machine.
Yeah.
And the lid goes on really pretty simple. I mean, you can put it on. It's like that food processor. Sometimes you gotta adjust it a little bit, but I love how simple the Ninja Creami is to operate.
Okay, so now that's in the mixer, we're just gonna put the ice cream setting on.
Okay.
So the machine just stopped, so we'll now take it out. And it looks perfect.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some more Oreos in it for it to be like more chunky. And yeah, we'll just stick them in there.
So you just kind of break up like 2 Oreo cookies for this amount and push them down in a little bit.
And the machine will break them up.
Okay.
You can add, you just like press this Mixin button and you can like mix in any type of like candy or cookies you want in it.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, how long does this process take when you put the Mixin button?
Just like a minute, it doesn't take very long.
Okay, awesome. All right.
So we'll give it a go. Okay, so now our ice cream is finally done.
Ooh, show everybody.
Look at that.
Look at the chunks of Oreo cookie. So Brooklyn, that's why you want to have like a little extra to go in. Okay.
Now we'll just dish it up.
Love it. Ooh, chocolate. One of my favorites. What do you think, Maisie?
It's very creamy. It's very soft.
Very soft?
It looks really good.
Yes, it looks really good. Put another big scoop. Find us a big chunky Oreo. Did you scoop them all out?
Yeah, there's one right there.
Yeah, right there.
Right on top.
Yum.
Okay.
All right. We gonna try this, girls?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, I need a piece of Oreo. All right, ready? Cheers. Okay, that is really good.
It's very fresh tasting.
And you know what happens to the Oreo cookie, everybody? Brooklyn, I love that you put that in there at the end because it's almost like the Oreo cookie became freeze-dried.
Oh.
And then when you crunch it, it literally just starts to melt in your mouth in with the goodness of the creamy ice cream that the Ninja Creami makes. Delish. I think this is my favorite, maybe because it has sugar. I don't know, but I love it. You girls have been amazing. Thank you for teaching us how to do sorbet in the Ninja Creami and also how to make ice cream. I will be wanting one of these in my home. I've never used it, so this is amazing. I love it. Thank goodness for these cute girls that came on and helped us out today. We really appreciate it. And remember, every day is not going to be a good day, but there's good in every day. So go get a Ninja Creami and share the goodness with someone, okay?